G'day, I'm Jeremy Giddings, Irrigation Manager with Agriculture Victoria. In a previous video, I showed you two simple techniques on how to monitor your irrigation system to ensure that yield and quality is maintained. In this video, we will show you how to address these issues with good system maintenance. Drip irrigation systems can be very efficient at delivering irrigation water to vines, but proper maintenance is essential to keep them performing well. A common problem is the clogging of emitters with either silt and clay, algae and bacteria, or chemical deposits. Clogged emitters will prevent vines from receiving the water they need. Today, I'm going to show you how to flush your irrigation system to prevent the build-up of silt and clay, and how to treat your system with an oxidising agent such as chlorine or hydrogen peroxide to prevent the build-up of algae and bacteria. To effectively flush your irrigation system, you need to flush the delivery system in order of water flow. Start by flushing the main line and then move to the sub-main, followed by the laterals. To flush the main line, open the valve and flush for 2 minutes or until the water runs clear. To flush the sub-main, also flush for 2 minutes or until water is clear. When flushing laterals, often two sediment deposits are released. One is the material at the end of the lateral and the other will be the disturbed material along the lateral. A minimum of 0.5 metre per second flow velocity is needed to ensure a good flush. To determine this velocity, a minimum flow rate can be measured using a bucket at the end of the lateral. This table, which is available from the AWRI website, shows the recommended flow rate for laterals of varying pipe diameter. To make sure that the minimum flow rate is achieved, use a bucket to measure the lateral flow rate for 1 minute. If the flow rate is not sufficient, close a number of laterals to increase the flushing velocity and re-measure until the recommended flow rate is achieved. If algae and bacteria are an issue, oxidising agents such as chlorine or hydrogen peroxide can be injected into the system as required. To inject the system with an oxidising agent, make sure the system has recently been flushed so the oxidising agent does not have to act on excessive organic matter. Inject the oxidising agent until it reaches the last dripper, using the test strip to make sure the concentration is correct. Run the pump for a further 10 to 15 minutes. Shut the system down for 2 to 24 hours. Flush the system again after treatment, making note of the sediment discharged. And there's a lot more information on irrigation system monitoring and maintenance on the water management page of the AWRI website.